2026 is not just about heavy-duty job site tools, because Ryobi is proving that everyday tools can be just as innovative. This new lineup focuses on convenience, versatility, and smart cordless solutions that make daily tasks faster and easier. So let's take a closer look at the latest Ryobi tools you should definitely keep an eye on. If clearing weeds from patios or driveways feels like a tiring job, the Ryobi 18V1 Plus Cordless Patio Cleaner offers a much easier alternative. Instead of scraping manually, this tool uses a powerful wire brush spinning at 1300 RPM to quickly remove weeds, grass, and moss from between bricks and paving slabs. Because of this high-speed performance, it restores outdoor surfaces efficiently while saving both time and effort. For more delicate surfaces like sandstone or marble, the brush can be swapped out for a nylon wheel, making it versatile across different materials. In addition, the telescoping pole allows you to adjust the height for a more comfortable working position, reducing the need for bending or kneeling. The simple trigger operation makes weed removal almost effortless, while the tool-free wheel change system ensures quick accessory swaps without hassle. With up to 30 minutes of runtime on a 2.0 amp-hour battery, it provides enough power for most cleaning tasks, and its smart handle design also makes storage easier by taking up less space in your shed or garage. Cleaning glass surfaces no longer needs to feel like a frustrating chore, and the Ryobi Cordless Window Vac is built to prove exactly that. Designed for effortless and streak-free results, it combines cordless convenience with strong suction to leave surfaces spotless without drips or mess. With its wide 27.5 centimeter cleaning path, it covers more surface area in fewer passes, helping you finish tasks much quicker. At the same time, the 100 milliliter dirty water tank keeps all waste contained, reducing how often you need to empty it during use. Beyond windows, it works just as effectively on mirrors, tiles, and shower screens, delivering consistent results across different surfaces on a single charge. It can even be used to remove condensation, which helps prevent mold and mildew buildup over time. To make things even easier, it comes with a detergent spray bottle and a microfiber applicator, allowing you to apply and spread cleaning solution efficiently before vacuuming it away. With up to 7 hours of runtime using a 5 amp-hour battery, it offers long-lasting performance, making it a practical and cost-saving solution compared to repeated professional cleaning. Taking care of your lawn becomes much more convenient with the Ryobi cordless 33 centimeter lawnmower and 23 centimeter grass trimmer combo. The lawnmower features a 33 centimeter cutting deck that's easy to maneuver, making it ideal for small to medium-sized gardens. It also includes a 5-position cutting height adjustment ranging from 25 millimeters to 65 millimeters, allowing you to adapt to different grass conditions and terrain. The Easy Edge grass comb feature ensures you can mow right up to edges and borders, giving your lawn a cleaner finish. To make things even easier, it comes with a detergent spray bottle and a microfiber applicator, allowing you to apply and spread cleaning solution efficiently before vacuuming it away. With up to 7 hours of runtime using a 5 amp-hour battery, it offers long-lasting performance, making it a practical and cost-saving solution compared to repeated professional cleaning.
Installing door locks becomes much simpler with the Ryobi wood/metal door lock installation set, which is designed to guide you through the process with ease. Instead of relying on complex measurements, it uses a straightforward 3-step process: set, drill, and install. What makes it especially user-friendly is the Auto Strike Locator, which automatically aligns the door with the existing strike plate for accurate positioning. This eliminates guesswork and improves installation precision. The built-in clamp ensures a secure hold during drilling, while the dual backset adjustment supports both 2 3/8 and 2 3/4 inch configurations. It is also compatible with common door thicknesses, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Additionally, the included spade bit guide helps center the latch bore accurately, ensuring clean and precise cuts. With a full set of accessories including a bimetal hole saw, arbor with pilot bit, drill bits, and screwdriver bit, it provides everything needed to complete door installations efficiently. Handling tough clogs becomes far less stressful with the Ryobi 18V1 Plus 35-foot drain auger, which is designed to tackle heavy-duty plumbing tasks with ease. Capable of clearing blockages in pipes up to 3 inches, it offers a powerful solution for both home and professional use. Its compatibility with both 1/4 and 5/16 cable drums adds versatility, allowing it to handle everything from sinks and bathtubs to toilets and main drains. The enclosed drum design keeps the process clean and mess-free, which is a major advantage during use. To improve control, it features both manual and auto cable feed and retract settings, ensuring smooth operation while reducing effort. The ergonomic and portable design makes it comfortable to handle, even during longer tasks. Additional features like the onboard LED light improve visibility in dark areas, while the cable lock allows for manual removal of stubborn clogs. The reinforced cable resists kinks, ensuring durability over time, and compatibility with the link wall system makes storage more organized. For compact cutting tasks, the Ryobi 18V1 Plus 4.5-inch circular saw delivers both convenience and performance in a lightweight design. Built for one-handed use, it's easy to control and perfect for quick DIY projects or precise cuts in tight spaces. Despite its size, it offers impressive cutting capability, delivering over 300 cuts per charge. With a maximum cutting depth of 1 5/16 inches, it can easily handle 2x materials, plywood, OSB, and laminate flooring in a single pass. The adjustable bevel from 0 to 45 degrees adds flexibility, allowing for angled cuts when working on trim or corners. At the same time, features like the spindle lock and onboard hex wrench make blade changes quick and hassle-free, keeping your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. Versatility takes center stage with the Ryobi USB Lithium 4-in-1 stapler/nailer, which is designed to handle multiple fastening tasks with a single tool. It supports light-duty and heavy-duty staples, round crown staples, and even brad nails, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Over 600 fasteners per charge delivers reliable cordless performance for extended use. Its compact and lightweight design allows easy access to tight spaces while reducing fatigue during longer projects. The integrated guideline at the nose ensures precise placement of staples or nails, while the low fastener indicator lets you know when it's time to reload. Ideal for upholstery, insulation, and even tasks like fastening chicken wire, it offers excellent flexibility for both DIY and professional use. The included USB lithium battery adds extra convenience with a USB-C charging port and an LED fuel gauge, allowing you to monitor battery levels easily. It can even charge mobile devices, making it a practical addition to your toolkit. Cleaning tough surfaces becomes much easier with the Ryobi USB Lithium Power Scrubber, which delivers strong performance in a compact design. With 2 speed settings and up to 300 RPM, it provides enough power to tackle stubborn dirt and grime effectively. It is compatible with a wide range of Ryobi hex shank cleaning accessories, including brushes, pads, and abrasive options, allowing it to adapt to different cleaning tasks. The included medium bristle brush works well on surfaces like tile, granite, and fiberglass. Built for durability, the tool features an IPX7 water resistance rating, meaning it can be submerged in up to 3 feet of water for 30 minutes. This makes it reliable even in wet cleaning environments. Its lightweight and ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, while the USB lithium battery includes a USB-C port and LED fuel gauge for added convenience and easy monitoring. Keeping tires and sports equipment properly inflated becomes quick and easy with the Ryobi USB Lithium high-pressure inflator. Designed for portability, it is perfect for on-the-go use, whether you're inflating bike tires or sports balls. The digital pressure gauge ensures accurate readings, allowing you to fill up to 100 psi with precision. At the same time, the onboard LED light improves visibility, making it easier to use in low light conditions. For added convenience, it includes onboard accessory storage and hook and loop straps, making it easy to carry and organize. The USB lithium battery system provides reliable power, along with a USB-C charging option and LED fuel gauge for simple battery management. Maintaining your pool becomes far more convenient with the Ryobi 18V1 Plus Pool Vacuum, which eliminates the hassle of cords and hoses.
Designed for pools, hot tubs, and spas, it delivers strong suction at 13 gallons per minute, effectively picking up sand, dirt, and leaves. It has an IPX8 rating, meaning it can operate in water depths of up to 13 feet, ensuring reliable performance even in deeper areas. The dual filtration system helps maintain consistent suction, while the 1.7-liter tank provides enough capacity for extended cleaning sessions. The removable clear floor head targets fine debris, while the wide inlet handles larger debris like leaves, making it versatile across different cleaning needs. It can be attached to a standard pool pole or used as a handheld vacuum, giving you more flexibility during use. For storage, it is compatible with the Link wall system, keeping your setup organized. With replaceable filters and a durable design, it is built to deliver long-term performance while making pool maintenance quicker and easier. So that was a look at some of the most useful and innovative Ryobi tools in the 2026 lineup. From everyday cleaning to DIY and outdoor tasks, these tools are all about making work faster, easier, and more convenient. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe for more tool content like this.